Welcome aboard our dear viewers. Bwese mukubona ku Raise Podcast ku mwanyala. Okubona muyongere okubona show netwe n'umusheri wefe. Siba kalimu kane kumanyatsa ka kumubona mukane honi na show yishiri. Papa wakandisha.
Kale ya.
Wanya. Sasa kwa masaba kubona ni abantu.
Mama saba ali kupuliriza n'abakese. From masaba kwa makufa masaba yeyi. Bamasaba chikwa, bamasaba liva. Together chivofe Bunga we from Mudwene. Wenda ye mwambu ye mubuya niona ale Facebook mutwe Mudwene so n'abakesere bamasaba kesubira esi muri bara. Sese nyo mugeni we runako ngomuna kama sino munyamu yechebe sena ase Sharif Makwasi mukuri ko masanyalazi dadirosi wese mutagana kubona ko atagana kuwuliriza na chifura wega mani nimika kumazima
true
era senga ni kama sima ezonga ni kumazima uwachawira kumana kumazima era subira bakubona ku accounts zenja ulo YouTube TikTok WhatsApp Twitter and Facebook muungana kuleka mazima
true
so na sendo umusanyi fuku chaza kucherero
wanya
platform ina
wanya
yes
bafa kandi ni baro ni bahobona bose no bafa kandi mundakana humanya bahobona kana humanya Sharif ba hammanyire muna mumanya ba mumanyire mwamanyira papa moti misendere ya Budadiri West
yes
wabona mukuva murafuna bi the whole of this year this nali lyabe nabe kungachi but from nowhere bya mamu primary fana byetsabula ina biti manyomundu kubona masaba no mundu we Budadiri West umuntu yese no muna Uganda na tiyeshindushi akana humanya what went wrong chinese yavuvi
briefly Sharifu na mewuteza town council na mamuodi yevubalinganga village yevubalinganga Budadiri West nge constituency Lonkonge district Sharifu nga navere ko mutawuni mbale ipangalira ko mukivuga ku Republic Street era ndi umutuze w'enkomo nga navere mu kibuga nenga navere wose Silonko ndi umutuze we town council yevutese Sharifu kakusoma Kigali kiriwore nenga naze nasoma
ko ngari minimum
yiguri mu information and communication technology ku Islamic University in Uganda. There suvira next year inshallah suvira kushira kupa swinga my masters ICT also had another course but the course that I think I'm going to do according to the demands of Uganda and the service delivery of my people of that constituency I need to add on law
kama kambira
za kongera kama kambira so politically I've been a leader kwa mengo esisalikana I have been a leader in different capacities even in town here Ikolanga chairman of electronics Mbale City the whole of Mbale City so I'm among the people adding value on this city of Mbale so nga nilirengo ndinga chairman we town council kwidwaliro elete management committee adenge kola kumagombolo nga mukaga but the original sub county where that hospital is specifically basing is Buteza town council. Sharifu navere konga chairman we bafuka mpate FDC. I think that is where people will know.
And yeah, true.
Sharifu navere mobilize FDC. Navere commander ngepate kujitasha zitalo zenjawulo.
True.
Na mobilize ngeko bakandidate zenjawulo. So ndingudwena ko bese omanye bati bavere mu camp ebayo kona lebonakani nandala mafabi ngafomene kuyimba ka political ne bali bulafumi mbasa mutuniyo kuyimba so subira this year ena makweza nganeza ni project yebalanga Budadiri West new chapter nganie project shaka ili kuza kutandikira so lebonakani nandala mafabi agamire ubona ko tikupushinga Budadiri West ahead
yes
ne cheka bindi nezera mupate yesu kusubira kuti democracy nendi buzi nga bali kuntiko babene bafugisa mu democracy bali mu dictatorship so luna kulena langirira kwimika bwe MP mu Budadiri West constituency ne luna kulesi kotandika kuleka kuzigata niona lebona ndalati ekaba mwimika kwati nenase nawe metika kuimika kuona lebona ene mikira kuchinana kuchifa kubanga buli bichitagisani nabi ende nivuagisi kutula muba naba nibyo sanyurusi ngazipa kwa what they propose ene ninaso sose nekikulu ferundi kulowoza kukolera abantu ne ba chef besu kukola nabo balowooza kukwisenyo so kajiro obonanga nezero mpate FDC bigali bya makwapeni era sese niyo dimisawona lebonanda mukonswese obudali west baka chiveza gawuda in the history of Silonko in the history of Budali West no one had ever thought of standing against Nandali the party. So I said party all of us were equal, so I should also contest. But bape buwags so mukulungeru kawa nazi Sharifu Masanya Sharifu Mutafu Adim aya dimana za kula from nowhere atachire kweza muzemu kamyufu azirebo president kwa makutipa uzi huna kumugani sabina
bila
star banga dati tu fazi leka alikulimba nenga bera alimbira mazima ganakola kanaboneka so it was surprisingly patenga aletere program ya kulaninga primaries kalukizo wa mivyo nigati
true
mivyo jeba mupate kongezako to raise our concerns kongezako we sit with the party ne party sometimes inge kigwali kwa makuti region yes president asubira kutula kakwandivere ko ni conflict source
of course
kwandivere shitu
chitwera
era face kwasaba kwa makutona lebona ndalanga bafunire time agobole kenyuma kwikaleko naye bulu muntu alete ndowoza yewe abone batu balowoza ki nyo kugeza kumpushinga bonana nesi na ndalagobola afika komanya kuti level ye ni politics we alotetingira busamu Budali West mwenye akasilonko district nikataoni council keke kama so surprisingly one very national leader kukunganya ba candidate bali interested mu kifachi ikale nina wabaganike ngaberi mwaberemo ba stepping aside ba pushing a good for the good of the party and our people
true
many people are willing ne wakubade bose bamanya bat the best candidate wani mbakire Budali West is Sharifu so na levonanda hata muzitondo amanyire mutu wezitondo nyakanga nakulagira omusakulu we wali muzitondo naza kudia from nowhere asudire personal assistant wewe piye wewe awesi umanyire former reverend former is a former reverend kufika store besome wa designing wale kakuumula busa we former teacher ngolo musome sino designing you a former what
teacher
nenga beri wa umule busa you were teacher retired but not retired so this one is a former what former reverend yebo talo mati evyo katonda katano bya musinyire kazawereze stand adumba ni chachi era andika ni chachi ulambu baba mufugire sanefu chikubana ko biwandi byese bakola ki neko na jodesa ko kubone kubanka afugiriswa ko muwandikisa mu electoral commissioner
arali former reverend
is a former reverend and also a former teacher Bugunzi City Secondary School evyana chadumba kuitaka na charoma atya designinga nekuchikubona pepe dale tu confirmation ilo metako right designing alo cyo kunachirekera government to check in his candidate
true
then nanda alakola mu mistake ayira Jackson yokuredi ga 18 gwekane to campaign for him
so
when the party had to get nomination and they get primaries we have around 80 people who showed interest but feeling an expression of interest when a national leader general secretary of the party wali kuchikemu ne wakubade mugati mulimo batu babosi babo so leta batu babosi babayira mu batu bulu mutaga nikabyaza akola bana
abantu
katano batu bagene bakala then ipate ni program ya consensus building ngosobola kikasa batu bange kubuli you can come out as one candidate then ubitire moyo niyo baho ne kino koza kukibyanga bani conflicts ze wawe mu kiguga manyire bwami bwe Budali West bwa rotatingira mu kiguga kye katano wajanga politics yo wawe agama mu kilani so bikalange kilani batandika kulwana kana bayo mberengo ingo bakumwama bat Jackson kaso bakukulembera batu Budali West yati seniyo ni kukwaki nyo kusudaire ku radio akole mistake so sese ngomu kulembeze obone maso na muteba na mome tuona lebona ndali kitu kyesu kukoza kuijusa wakolede kitu kibi mabi ngomu kulembeze kuyi kiwa kyesi batu bakola ki
bako
kalugumireko ekintu kyokole kusuda kandi tuire ku radio wale ke kandi kibanje kireka ene ipati kireka ene space kama nchesira sebe chikumanya tuona evalid kiteta mchifakwiramo question ye pate ni constituency ila mu question ati baba wose omuntu mulaima abi era baba Sharifu yo kuna kolaga no my father at that particular moment was not an issue the issue was the leadership of the party and how should we land the constituency after you so he failed to answer the question and that is what is happening up to date chadegeza chiti inye ni vola kumuna so one of the factors that Sharif left FDC inye ni vola kumuna kumutu then two bagoberezi befe aba bavuge moroka ngebasi fefe kukuze mbale bo bavuga bazena machare ni soroti okufuna okukula makoto kucyose government bali kokolaga na government oko makoto kuereze watu bani interest zao azili personal
true
so ngakolere mu primary ziko biswavubi since day one nomination imo bwana banwani samavi era batamweje kabaga na kupandikisana nekisa kyo mukama ni abantu base kubanga buche basabana banacho ngana abawere baranga DPC wo bapabiraga misango gikaliyo batayalete abantu bali kukuba batu DPC kuza koraji abantu base bali peaceful so pale muntu bakubaka bwe kajiro obona radio zose zeso Masharifu nabapandikira nira mu batu kwiyoda kana
kalulu
atona lebona ndanga matinza kuwangula nokuchusa cyose register nikachiko keka FDC
ka register
70% executive committee ya district ya Silongo FDC kirani yonanda feveda eri kikisa
milafati
febu yoveda eri uteza payo motuli committee FDC ngo abatebereko bati fedaniyo na kisa alina chichironda nabe mu kisana bavikala kuna kumeza karano kwaluma kuti feve kisa ali bale kole kuti bati feka bakusomana bakoma bati kwa kusomana bena matyale dadi
nabona
ne kwama baya neka kusomana vulu mu budiye ne kana sena asoma ko kidana ne mukazi legesa mabi bona ndiyo ne kadigwe sobola kutesera lina
true
nenga pao leta candidate wo wose mu debate kubule batu yesu zakola ki koza kudianga candidate onanda akola mistake zingali ngabe walo mota bite kaluke buladi west wango ambire ngamia kwinjira mu Katolika episo wamanye ngamia
achubona
ngamia injira mu Katolika enano
possible
bawo muntu akoma ati yukanya bite be kuzonanda akukoma nanda arangezere akusindika abije ugana kuganika ko ni nanda ati kalo nanda aramutumire kadawusi ni muchachi mwese asumba byesa asumba mafua accountability chachi basolonzere ka pesa ka fundraise kakabone katano kumisiga ko ki
nothing
ruli miru laugh
true
bikola byeka biri bina batu basura na basure nyo chegira bafosinga nomination zewe kuna kulukalo nomination bayira bamuandikisa then bafosinga register ikali tufu bakweka ba delegate then bafosinga bachusa mode of voting guidelines bakwazindi eza kuna za mubaroti baputinga ni
ballots yeah I had that sago
bamara bazibisi kiro chona ndarandi katukuze kulaini kubanga asundire delegate sayire kijinja delegate amwe mitwa jaga avira katana abagobo sachiro
over 2000 delegates
yes 2000 delegates had some a big percentage of the fake delegates ajiro bonot bafire mu filimu yawe saa zitalo zingalina solo koera amaso esikukuza na kunyonyola kudiyange pate yo nekere bakuforcingire kwazire mukalulunga ni ochefe mudwe na baranga manya ku Francis Chengu afisiro mukasi ne paka kabamu sasira ko bamuvuga bamwira mukalulu kuze kulonde kalulu register fake babribingire ba voters bona mukisa guyeda Kyegulu abi nazire kubona Kyegulu bamusira ke kati
aya hada saga
era saga eri solo nenga nandala za campaigning soloti imana afani budut yenge mbasa atanezega kuma kwedi eri goni mwa yakubire eriyo atandike kuko mabatu ni kwairiza batu kera afuniye buzi kendi kwisitinga violence mu batu nenga nakukubulire Nandala's project for president is a dead project. And FDC of Silonko district has died because of Nandala. It is not only Silonko district, but the whole of Uganda. The problem of FDC is Nandala. Now, if Nandala is the problem, where do you think FDC is going to end? That's why I said, me as a Sharif, bakakwita sebakubire amafudu beza kunzita yani sawa azikiri ku treatment bayiko sadale party bula mbose kabuli buna bulayi ninjira kivi na chesi baranga People's Front for Freedom ngani epatezere kukolani abantu bange epate iri branch FDC niyo batu bababona ko mazima mpate nani
FDC
baloma batifefe nga if Nandala can't change we have no any connection with Museveni. This money which is entering day and night without the basic source. This money which Nandala comes with, the system of associating with the ruling party. Nandala influences security. Wamanyesa was Nandala has a hand in security.
I don't know.
Fenga kulisolo kukulonda kalu. Nga bakuku. Na the CDPC, na ma DPC, but basha vinjire ni zipimbo, ni zipanga. SARS baza kuita banana kalu kuyendere kalu kanoka kalamo bude bwakoleshi
bawe
ano merati yeye Nandala mutereko kukola kanyaluzinga muri magwe. Then I questioned myself, when did Nandala started instructing police? When did Nandala started influencing police? Mivyo jirisiro mu 2021 Museveni aromat no public rallies. It is only on record in Silonko we had the public rallies.
Nyuma wa public.
Abula yubusazo Nandala zigenda ni police iri kugadinga na yeye iri kwejoyinga selfie. Police yellow mate batu bakagenda genda during COVID. Fenga kukemu arevuga buli mmola kwa Nandala bitakulugudu kabajimisa. Beza busabasira mo bate ya Nandala lekeyiteho. Katano kukuza mukalulu ko opposition with the ruling party. So baza bachiboko bandi ba opposition according to the government's methods. This ikozesa to consolidate himself into power. Bakubefe bandi chiboko ni tiagasi. Nenga nakuka cassette ba FDC baza kuba kubati. Baba kubira ki?
Ati mvimbo FDC niye na rep.
Dala ninge project. Katane somo tu wanela ale.
Wadi.
Eba Kenya nala ninge project. Yo Museveni.
Munda ne rebare kulashi watima afutanga waluzinge halu obanga buvyo
kwabe. Reason why I left FDC. I left FDC because leaders of FDC they have lost direction.
Okay.
I left FDC because what is going on, it has become a personal party. It is now a part of Nandala, not a party to Ugandans. I left FDC because in FDC wa manyo ngolo mukasi onikuba honi face indai ngwabe honi face indai ofugisa kuza kubani mukuru so ngwabe ni muhuru akozesere akuya chike nenga be wagezere kukusura ojifunenge yokaza kufandinga ngabe olumu musolero musese onikufugisa kwinyanda tegemus so byose keso bakwachi I left FDC because I grew up on an Islamic family. I am a believer.
True.
I don't believe in the shed of blood. Wamanyoti mdadi West they almost killed us in Mafudu.
Of course.
Me personally comment back.
I heard that.
Enga wa the history of Silonko. History of Silonko yamanyikanga district with data politics. You can recall in 2011 during Nandala and the betrayal of death. There are people who died.
True.
We have existing graves. But to make matters worse, those families which lost their beloved one, no one has ever bothered to look over them. Era ngogana kunyiza Nandala. Mulome oti family yo muntu esibita mukaluluko. Okufuna. So ngepate kuitaga tulicognize our people that were moved with. Wabona omuntu akakumwachira but recognize that person. Ipate ebe chikufuna bokulembezere. Nenga keri esetandikira. Ipate FDC ngojibona oti it has some privileges. But it's only and the family who enjoys those privileges. Wabona youth nga nosire ku TV okuza kubona ba youth be mwale when you what Adipa Francis yebuli kasera abebula. How many youth of this region have you ever seen nga na batu lebula to have beautiful workshops, knowledgeable workshops zeso kufuna kwa majesty.
That's the one.
Kulini bafuka nga bawalid walido omusaku nenga aswa mu byebafu okufuna ngane fe no kukozesa wabusanga okula so nga wakulosingire nayo wazire mwalo Nandala kulanga omulabe erobo omulabe we kajire senayo meti pao nga beri PFF yanza nirizire na kulosingire nayo nzo ngere kama kisi afadhali na mukibina ngacho era sawa azifefe utawale fekere FDC. Our enemies Museveni.
Because
we are the PFF.
Museveni, you said Museveni and Nandala are the same.
No, you see, these are agents now.
Okay.
But the main target is Museveni. So we are not going into the bush to fight Museveni. Though Museveni thinks ngawambagire batu ba PFF, wambire batu ba opposition, unafasa na. We don't have time of going to the bush. Museveni is already. His time is the first half. Even if you go with him in the bush, he cannot finish a day in the bush.
True.
He cannot finish a night in the bush. So for us, we think we need a peaceful transition of power.
That's what everybody is for.
Kajiro Bonot, I joined the part of freedom. I joined the part of peace. So for us in this coming elections, our enemy is the ruling party. And we are going to sweep all streets. The first seat in the parliament for PFF is Vudadiri West constituency. Whether Nandala likes it or not, we are going to take it.
Influencing the government.
Now, since he has a connection with the government, because when
the government.
The time I spent with him, I was used to question him. Nandala, why do you fear to stand as a president? Could you say he has his businesses? Now, if he stands as a president, Museveni has a kwamba businesses away. So such a leader, you dodge tax. You start lamenting of Museveni. Simanyi nga ni mikire Museveni na kavita kanana ngirira beri na kavita Museveni nga achiro pani kukwaki. You remember in last year 2024 no when
2024
2024 you had the National Environmental Day
in Sronko,
so when the right honorable minister Nabanja came, do you know what Nandala said? He has heard that Museveni was to hand over power. So when he's handing over power, let Museveni hand over power to him. So is he the first son? Is he Moses? There are things that people speak indirectly, but some of us, we are blessed naturally.
True.
We're not a point. So Nandala's leadership and the Nandala's land for president is full of comedy. These people are in comedy. Amoliat. Amoliat. Amoliat ni Nandala balumutwe. Nandala no kosa Amoliat. Nandala no commanding Amoliat. Nandala no lagi Amoliat chekupa. Koberu goko. During the National FDC Delegates Conference of 2023, yes, call on the Chisanja. Kwisa ko Nandala ni Amoliat. Amoliat agonengo Nandala. Nandala mwama tukasanyuka kwa pakanga bamali okukala musambu gona. Are you aware that the Katonga and the FDC Najana Kum Gumusango Gobawo, it is the ruling government is lawyers. You bakala musambu when the favor of Najana Kum.
Of course, I wasn't in the
I was there.
I was in the system.
Bakala musango chief Sam Mukaga gwezera ku email. The same method they are using whenever they bring basic in court.
Of course.
But sindika ku email. Katanonga nozote vile Nanda. wowe nga bali kukala musango gwe naje nakumi ni katonga basindika ku email. They sent via emails. Today, when Besigye is brought to court, the same method they are using. The rulings they are ever on email. What is the difference between Nandala and the government today? Ngana kuombe seta alo bikatemba zinyayo. So ngana tulire mwalo Nandala jese kamucha. We are prepared for Museveni and his agents. And these ones are not going to survive in this coming election. We are going to sweep all of them. So we are going to start from down at the village, sub-county, district, constituency. Then Museveni will go by force. Museveni will go automatic. So ngana kwamba etukitegekere our biggest target, we are going to win the majority of seats as the PFF. And the next leader of opposition
should come from PFF.
If we don't win the presidential seat, let me tell you this. If we don't win presidential seat as PFF, we are going to take the majority of MPs and we take that position of leader of opposition. So the next leader of opposition is going to come from PFF. I know this is not good news for FDC
and the other parties,
and other parties, but you should accept the fact that PFF is a strong party.
True.
And has got strong leaders with stronghold in their constituencies. So, Ngaberi one analyzing the way our politics is moving now. I think in PFF we are too organized. We are too organized. Kada no adenga rozi tarozi kwezaga bagana ku confusing baleta gemo baleta byo wae bakutema but we are ready for them. So today I want to inform everyone that we as PFF we are ready to take over Uganda. If we miss, you know, is Museveni. Museveni no miss. Museveni no miss. Yeah. Museveni no miss. But Uganda afro, ale to mwana we. So Museveni no miss. Nenga beri kwa missingire. Ukuza kuira leader of opposition.
Omukubyengeleo na.
Kajire say no, this is my strong appeal to other members of different political parties. Instead of fighting for power, instead of fighting with your bosses, please you join us. There is a peace this way. There is a freedom this way. You join us, you move with us. For us, we are said we are going to win all of these seats up to the village level. So, Chiambaga and FDC, that in their last days.
Yeah.
Whatever is happening, new for someone, and you're not going to chase it on. Che Gurabi. Girula.
I was surprised.
Che Gurong have it here from nowhere. But when the repetition has a Rajanako, then I question myself. Foko and the petition.
Not only you.
Zitan. Ngakwimikira mu election is the primaries. Ngakuwavira candidate wenale mwesina ndalete. Kisoka ngakwa mwambeni bujulizi akapeninga ne bakandidate bayenale. Number 2, eba alo musome singa chikuliza ininga. Number 3, eba kali member of this kako ni kadi. Okufuna. Nenga abyo sinandala kwa. Number 4, ba choose regis. Ngana ikweka mo ali delegate. Kwitebe injira atene mu regis. So number 5, kwandika petition mode of voting.
Yeah, mode of
mwakuwa guidance in matu sirekana ebyo sinandale kala
because first kwasubira hori mutsohote ballot from nowhere bona babekaliye ne certain of field
ballot babisa
certain field and I heard rumors. I don't know whether they were rumors but baba chief yesu ba holonda chinishe sumalondela moto
no previous eba kuli eskulonde bifa byenjawo magombolo great sub counties kada nebo kuyire mafu baga na chifa chese basoba kukusukizingiramo balete batu baye bali fake bakubanga waletere utezo tukulondere omuntu anamanya ati ukali omutufu ati kali mu register so food kama oil yona ndala FDC has now become a kama oil project yes ngoga na bujulizi sokolonde oza kudia basi okama oil niyo kulonde FDC era nandala ambe FDC aji making kama oil era eringa katano ka project
kewe
ni abantu beba bale bakafunamo so Kyegulo omusaala ose kusasira esuli but me I predicted this long time ago let's kuza kupamwe this can use I made the right choice nenga nakukusabira olumusezo omugumikiriza oguma wafisire ni mukasi bakwira mukalulu kerejesesi bibiri ne Katonda akuyeda wabi kenda against Girulira neseke pambagana ni umwifi ngabe wivire tiketika lyo kakuwanganale ngabe nandala agana Giruli kali awa Kyegulo fulaga yesi batu bamulonda ye asuda kama pesa ke awa Giruli nga nakola ki nga nakugana naleka Kyegulo bana kubache bamwakana neko nyala balondera omuntu gundi osude fulaga omuntu gundi era kiri Sonko saazi nandala kesubiranga asobola kusquaringa akaba 5% mukaluka za kwesa era namusasire mali zitalo zesukola zoimba sotingo wazire ku Erigon ozokome Sharifu ozokome Kyegulo ozokome sukambaganane nyoza kuangula kaluka ali kweza kyoko akwiteka tekere kyokola kwakimanyire era balonzi bakomo bati ibox so today we are declaring a protest vote in Sonko district a protest vote against Nandala and Budadi West constituency so our protest vote is quite different from a protest vote of Nupu so our protest vote is going to be for Sonko district right from the village up to the constituency so we want a protest vote against Nandala and his FDC kwaluyire embeera y'okukunyigiriza kwaluyire embeera y'okuforcinga abantu kwaluyire embeera y'okwikubira one person you cannot be the chairman of the village one person you can't be the chairman of BCU one person you want to be the chairman of the district one person you want to be the area member of parliament one person you want to be the president which kind of a person on addition of that is the general secretary of the what? Of the party. Hanga nakuta yabale yose. Nga kwakwirwana mu Budadi West isolo nakola. Kubange solo. Yeyo igana chief akikive mu family yewe munsu mwewe. Sawa azaletere Jackson. Akuza akosa Jackson ko mwambukira. Katano mu 2031 akuza kuleta omwana wewe. Katano omwana wewe yagana chipa pula chatayo nga cho Jackson chesa zakosa busa. Akutema pesa gona akana. Atinga atusile yale to mwana yakolechi atife kwama kutokufugisa mundo ozaga kalanga na batu bwe Budadi mikalakasire mukalwa nako mubwe bagumikiriza mukalwa nako mulinde box mikalakasire muna box so we want what they call a protest vote in Budadi West constituency.